So the way this game works is I have a card that has an excerpt from a book that you may or may not be familiar with. Probably you would be. And what it has is a little beginning of a simile or metaphor. And then I know what the author actually did, right? But your goal is going to be to either try to guess what this author did or to create a simile that fits in with the phrase, right? So amongst the four of you, you're going to try to figure out, okay, what should we write on this card? What sounds like it could have been with the original? What sounds like might work in place of the original so that other people would think that it was, right? So what you'll do is you'll discuss amongst yourselves and come up with something to kind of fill in the blank, and you'll write it down on that card. You'll then give the card to me, and so there will be 3 answers plus the correct answer from the original work by the original author. I will then put down on the board 4 possibilities, one of which is the actual one, right? Then you will vote on which one you think is the best one, right? And if you guess the correct answer of the 4, you get 1 point. If you make up an answer and some other team votes for your answer, you get 2 points for tricking the other team, or both other teams. That's possible. If you should happen to stumble upon the original and correct answer, you get 3 points. If someone does write the original answer, I will have to, on the spot, make up a 4th option, so there will always be 4 options there. Does that all make sense? So this is a practice round, just so you see how it goes. Okay, the work is Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll, and the sentence goes like this. All I know is something comes at me like, fill in the blank. Okay, so you go ahead and discuss among yourselves and try to say, what could that possibly be? Okay, so the options are 1, a wave, 2, a firecracker, 3, a jack-in-the-box, and 4, a shadow in the dark. All right, so those are the 4 options. So now you would have to decide which one you want to choose. Which do you believe to be the one that is by the author, Lewis Carroll, Alice in Wonderland. Now, there's also a strategy here, and that would be to vote for yourself. Because if you were to vote for yourself, you might dupe another team into voting for your choice, which then could get you the 2 points because you've tricked them. You, of course, do not get any points for voting for yourself, but it could be a strategy you might try, right? Okay, so go ahead and consult among yourselves and decide which one you would go for.
Could you repeat the...
Yes. All I know is something comes at me like a wave, a firecracker, a jack-in-the-box, a shadow in the dark. All right. Table A. What's your vote?
4.
4.
You vote for this one. Table B.
4.
Table C.
3.
All right. Well, the correct answer by the author was a jack-in-the-box. So group C would get 1 point for that. But this is a practice round. Whoever came up with this idea, a shadow in the dark, that would be Team B. Team B has successfully tricked Team A. Therefore, Team B would get 2 points. Team A would remain at 0.
We're winning.
Okay, do you see how that works?